So I've been feeling really nostalgic about my electronics today, and so I dug out my old iPod that stopped working long ago. It is the 20 gig 4th gen iPod, and I never really figured out a solution to fix it back when it died. I really didn't care. I just wanted a new iPod. I mean, what's a better excuse to get a new one than yours breaking? It's in pretty terrible condition, as you can see, and back is, well, thrashed. And there's some Hello Kitty. Anyway, I really was curious as to how to fix this, and I kind of wanted to take it apart. I was just sort of seeing what was going on, but anyway, it had always come up with the iPod with the sad face that referred me to the iPod Sport website. Well, I remember scouring the internet trying to think of some way to get it to work, but finally I just decided to bash it on my desk. And guess what? It worked. And all my music is still here. I mean, and this iPod is like, I was in 11th grade in high school, yes. And that was in 2006 when this died, and I got it way before then. So yeah, it's really old, but it's kind of funny that I finally got it to work by bashing it on my desk, which I don't know why I never thought to do that in the first place out of anger, considering I just broke a PS3 controller last night. Anyway, I thought that was kind of funny. I have some really terrible music on this. Yep, no more sad face. Cool.